All right, Matt Davio, day 9 of 2010. 2010, Eric.
Day 9 of 8 days up.
Yeah, we've had one day down this year. We've got a lot of earnings: Intel, JP Morgan tomorrow morning, and we've got a long weekend ahead of us. Don't forget that MLK Day is a bank holiday on Friday, so we are coming into the January-February MLK President's weekends where we have these shorter weeks. And a lot of traders are already stepping away. You saw it in the volume today. I talked to a bunch of guys that are heading out west for their ski trips, either this week or next week, and you see it in the volumes. Outside of one big 225,000 ES trade yesterday in 5 minutes, fat finger, they're looking into it. Who knows? Who knows what's going on? But let me just say, I took 2 trades over the last 2 days in the ES. I made 1 point in each. That's it. I took off some of the price line puts that we bought last Wednesday. Those things are up 20% in a week. We bought the July 200 puts. They've gone up almost 20% here in a week. So we took off a quarter of that trade. We put on some short deckers today. As long as it doesn't go above that 114 area, we're comfortable getting into that chart right now on the short side, dipping our toes in lightly on the stock. We're already long some puts, and now we're taking some actual stock short today. Outside of that, Eric, I'm looking for the currencies to be the major trade for the next few months. And I'm watching the dollar right now as it pulls back into the 76s. I've been waiting for this pullback after we ran up to 78, high 78s. If we can pull back to the 76 to 76.5 area on the dollar, I believe you can take some good sizable positions into the euro short, into the Aussie dollar short. And again, we had a nice rally in gold today, up about 15 from the bottom, and I don't see gold getting too much above 1165. So we're getting into the tops of these ranges again, where as we come into earnings, a lot of these things could change. But we're still a range-bound market. We opened 1132, Eric, Monday after the New Year, and we're closing here at 1144 here today, and so we're only up 12% or 12 points, or about 1% after that gap up on Monday. So I don't see a lot to, there's not a lot of new direction here. We're just still trending higher very slowly. You can't fight that, but things are, the volume's been very light the last couple of days on this comeback. So I wouldn't be chasing this long side here too much more.
What is the deal, man? Every blog, every forum, even on CNBC this morning, making a big deal about that trade.
I don't know. Who cares? To me, it's a non-event. To most traders, it's.
You know what the guy said this morning on CNBC? He says it showed you big players were coming in trying to buy in size.
Yeah, I mean, again, who knows? I mean, somebody could have been trying to, sell.
And look, if they bought in size, they bought at 37.50. Whoop whoop! It's at 44.
Yeah, they're at 44. But the bottom line is we're not really going anywhere, and we'll wait for these earnings to kind of shake out. Everybody's anticipating a big move in Intel. Everybody's anticipating. We had a big move in the banks today. Again, another new high on this move, but we're not pushing. We're still pushing to that old high on the banks for the year for 2009. So again, very undefined area in this market, Eric, and therefore you've got to trade less right now and kind of pick your spots. And we've been very successful the first 2 weeks of 2010. Had a big short on the oil trade. We've had some nice trades in the stocks, and we're just picking our spots and making money slowly and regularly, and that's what we do here every day.
888-201-4201. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll be glad to answer them one-on-one. And then if you have any further questions, I'll be glad to put you on the phone with Mr. Matthew Davio.
All right, Eric. I'm off to the dentist. See you tomorrow.
Don't lose too many teeth.